The Blulu Golf Frame Corner Kit is a versatile solution for setting up sturdy golf practice cages, thanks to its comprehensive package of 10 pieces in 3 different styles. Crafted from galvanized steel, the kit exhibits exceptional durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even in challenging weather conditions. Designed to fit a 10-foot by 10-foot by 10-foot golf frame, this corner kit seamlessly integrates with 1-inch EMT conduit, facilitating an effortless installation process. The inclusion of threaded eye bolts in the design ensures that the golf frame remains securely anchored, providing stability during extended practice sessions. Beyond golf frames, these DIY canopy fittings are adaptable for constructing various structures like awnings and arts and crafts exhibition frames, making them a versatile addition to any toolkit. Although frame poles and nets are not included, the straightforward design of the kit allows for quick and hassle-free assembly, saving users valuable time and effort.